This four-door, five-passenger truck provides a satisfying ride for all passengers. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 350 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Well-tuned suspension and stability control deliver a spirited yet composed ride and drive. It distinguishes itself from the competition with features such as a built-in garage door transmitter, a rear step bumper, an automatic dimming rear view mirror, a trailer hitch, and cruise control. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, a security system, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.